to the hotel, the Hilton Inn and Resort and Water Park, I think that's what it's called. And Aaron and I are here having ice cream. And we just had dinner. We had pizza. And I had a meatball sandwich. And we just got finished doing the laser maze, right?
And I went to the laser maze.
And you did the maze, the laser. Next time I'll bring the camera and I can record you, okay?
Yeah.
And then Daddy and Kaylee and Aaron are getting ice cream. Get ready to go to the pool, right? Hey Aaron, will you give me a tour of your broom?
Of your broom?
Yeah, show me.
Kaylee.
We have an Alexa. Where?
Alexa.
Okay.
Alexa. Then Alexa. Light switch. Alexa.
Oh, can't see anything.
Alexa. Then Kaylee has a light up there.
I wish I would have recorded the bank heist.
Kaylee has a light right there.
Cool. Very
Turn
cool.
on.
So do you like this hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then we have a TV.
Bunk with last time.
No.
TV.
We didn't know about them.
No, we had just delivered and pull
Well, you guys can watch a movie tonight.
Oh, and
What else?
we have
Actually-
a sofa bed.
Oh.
Yeah, and there's a sofa bed.
Oh, we're gonna invite people
like,
over.
somebody can actually stay there.
Daddy,
Mhm.
can you let me out there?
You want to go?
We are going to the water park this morning. Before it rains and thunders and all that, but we're feeling pretty lazy right now. Watching Dora. Taking my camera out there today because I don't want to worry about it, but I will be taking my phone, try to record a little.
Is it a stream? The ocean call for you.
So we did go to the pool this morning. I did not take my camera because it was too crowded. But we are gonna go to eat. That's so cool. Aaron just got, this guy just gave this to me. Excited? That's awesome. I'm gonna hold it for you? Then you hold it. So he just came up to Aaron and gave it to him. Oh, she's so cute. That's so cute. My boy never leaves me alone. He came back for me when I was recording that shot. Thank you. Aaron decided on his Lego. We'll show you later, right? We're gonna go eat at the Rainforest Cafe.
I wanted to go in Lava Lounge.
Okay.
Oh, look. Yeah, so there's elephants here. There's one over there. There's zebra.
Why is she there?
Because I don't need it. She can take it home.
I got your popcorn down here.
Nope, we're good. Yeah. Thank you. Actually, can I have some more pickles?
What did you say?
Oh, what? What? Pickles, what?
You know if you're lying, alright?
You guys better get a good score and get in the top 10.
If you're lying or not.
You'll find out if
Yeah, I
they
will.
if they do bad, you know that they lied. No. You do it next. Ah.
Now go and hold your hands on the next yellow checkpoint. Go and hold objective one.
Let her do it. Kaylee, let her do it. Climb over. Good. Climb over. Good. Hit it. Good job. Next. Okay, we are in bed. Well, the two of us are in bed. This one should be very tired. Went to bed very late last night and I am exhausted. So we are watching Peppa Pig. And then she's going to go to bed and I'm going to read a little bit. Normally in the mornings I read my Jesus Calling. And I have my prayer journal. What I read in the evening is this book here. It's Changed into His Image. It's a really good book. It's about God's plan for transforming your life. So that's what I read at night, little by little. It's pretty deep, so I like to take little chunks of it and meditate on it and then read some more the next day. So, good night. Thought I was going to bed, but the guys are back and they brought food. It's almost midnight, so vacation doesn't have time. And Aaron's building his Lego set. Carolyn is sleeping. And it was very sweet today because we went to the Disney store and we got her first Disney princess dress. And Kaylee was little. Kaylee got like all of them. Every year we got her one. So she got Sleeping Beauty. And we got her the magic wand. It was expensive, but she's our last little princess, so she really wanted it, and she's our last princess. Our last baby. So we want to spoil her. Okay, so now we're really going to settle down for the night. So good night. Tunnel's right here.
Are you able to go everywhere?
Yeah.
Go there now?
Wait for Daddy. So now we get to go upstairs to the upside down house, okay? I know. It flips us upside down so we can walk over there.
Hold the baby's hand.
It's an inversion tunnel. Alright, once you go through here, you're going to be upside down.
Which way do we go?
Go that way.
That way, Aaron.
That's the mirror.
Aaron, you're gonna feel like you can't walk.
How do you know it's
Aaron, let's go.
How do you know it's a mirror?
You're flipping up.
So weird.
We're upside down. I'm so dizzy. Okay, so there's a scavenger hunt that if they do it, we just went through the inversion tunnel that made me so dizzy. Now this scavenger hunt gets the answers, they get a prize. Oh, what are you doing? Katie's doing scavenger hunt. All right.
Good luck. Bye. Nice knowing you guys.
They're the only ones that scream. Oh, poor Aaron, he's never done anything scary like this before.
Yeah.
Why did you tell me to do this?
Like they're upside down right now.
He said, why did you tell me to do this? So what do you think about this?
This is actually awesome that we stick our kids into a giant washing machine and watch them suffer.
That's because they were fighting in the car. Kaylee.
Aaron looks more energetic.
Why did you tell me to do this?
Water to my head. I got
Aaron just bumped into me. How was that, guys?
Are you the road course now?
Yeah, was it good?
No, we got like stuck upside down.
Aaron?
We were literally upside down.
Never went.
Oh, you didn't go?
No, the bathroom had a stall. He was asking if you can go again.
Oh, okay. Go to the bathroom. So it was. I heard you screaming. No, stay here.
The music was so loud. So you sat down and it's like a seat, right? Like you're playing. So you sit down and it starts bringing you up and it takes forever to start.
Yeah.
But then when it brings you upside down, you're literally sitting upside down.
That is so. Yeah. I know.
Like my feet weren't touching the floor. It was really weird.
See your fingerprints. Let me see your
Aaron
fingerprints.
was arrested for texting too much.
Yep, sounds about right.
For trespassing.
Okay, go up. Oh, the cafe's downstairs. To the rope course. Aaron, you get to do it by yourself this year. Look up. They just got right on. Do it. You don't want to do it? Going up the escalator into a mountain, a volcano.
We don't know what to expect.
No.
You alright, buddy? Aaron. Aaron. You okay? No. Cold. Yeah.
Hopefully the park opens up again soon.
We are still waiting for the park to open up. Everything is closed. The girls went to get on the line because there was a 130-minute wait, and the guys went to go put the bag in the locker. And Marilyn is playing.
We are waiting patiently.
Look at that turtle. That's so cute. On the lazy river.
And look, you like this? Yeah. This is called the lazy river. Vacation is over. We had a great time at Volcano Bay yesterday. I tried to record during the water slides, but it had all kinds of complications, so that didn't really work out. But we had a great time and we are headed home. We're having McDonald's for breakfast. And they got their last points, and Aaron got a bunch of prizes from the arcade. And now we're headed home. So I hope you guys had a fun family vacation. It's time to start school. It's time to start school next week. All right. Yay! I love it. Bye.